Welcome to today's lesson. I'm your presenter, Kevin Shiundu, a trainer from Bungoma North Technical and Vocational College. In today's lesson, we are going to look about an ellipse. By the end of the lesson, the trainee should be able to define an ellipse, construct an ellipse by concentric circle method, construct an ellipse by rectangular method. Common definition of ellipse. These are loci of points moving in a plane such that the ratio of its distance from a fixed point and a fixed line always remains constant. Another definition, it is a locus of a point moving in a plane such that the sum of its distance from two fixed points always remains constant. And this sum equals to the length of a major axis. We have different methods of constructing an ellipse. An ellipse is just an engineering curve. So we are going to look at these methods. Number one is concentric circle method. Number two is rectangle method. Number three is oblong method. Number four is arc of circle method. Number five is rhombus method. And number 6 is basic locus method. For this lesson, we are going to only look at concentric circle method and rectangle method. Concentric circle method. Problem 1. Draw ellipse by concentric circle method. Take major axis 100 mm and minor axis 70 mm long. Steps. Number 1. Draw both axes as perpendicular bisectors of each other and name their ends as shown on the diagram. Number 2. Taking their intersecting points as a center, draw two concentric circles considering both as respective diameters. Number 3. Divide both circles in 12 equal parts and name as shown on the diagram. Number 4. From all points of outer circle, draw vertical lines downwards and upwards respectively. Number 5. From all points of inner circle, draw horizontal lines to intersect those vertical lines. Number 6. Mark all intersecting points properly as those are the points on ellipse. Finally, join all these points along with the ends of both axes in smooth possible curve. This is the required ellipse. Construction of an ellipse by rectangle method. Problem 2. Draw an ellipse by rectangle method. Take major axis 100 mm and minor axis 70 mm long. Steps. Draw a rectangle taking major and minor axes as sides. In this rectangle, draw both axes as perpendicular bisectors of each other. For construction, select upper left part of rectangle. Divide vertical small sides and horizontal long sides into same number of equal parts. Here divided in 4 parts. Number 4. Name those parts as will be shown on the diagram. Number 5. Now join all vertical points 1, 2, 3, 4 to the upper end of minor axis, and all horizontal points 1, 2, 3, 4 to the lower end of minor axis. Then extend C1 line up to D1 and mark the third point. Similarly, extend C2, C3, C4 lines up to D2, D3, and D4 lines. Mark all these points properly and join all along with ends A and D in smooth possible curve. Do similar construction in the right side part along with lower half of the rectangle. Join all points in smooth curve, and this is the required ellipse as shown in the diagram below.